First step you're going to do here is log into your admin menu, and we're going to start out by resetting the kiosk right away. So go to configuration and enable pull tabs. It's always going to be this one first, whether you're USA or Milcap. So we'll go ahead and do a restart. So now that we're rebooted, let's go back into the admin menu, and you'll now have pull tab report and pull tab history buttons available. So we'll go into the pull tab report first. So here's the page. Exit buttons are up here. So drive D, this message is just letting you know your backup drive's installed. So you're going to need an extra USB stick for this process. It is possible to do it with just your backup. So you have to go on and change your drive letters. So you'll press the Windows key on your keyboard. You'll type in, well, you'll close this program, then you'll type in format. You'll open this up, and then this you'll have to change your drive letter by opening this up, going to your D backup, changing it to something else, and E, and then you can boot the program. There'll be some prompts that you're not doing stuff right, and you can get through and do it. So just so you know that, maybe we'll cover that in the end of this video. So for this instance, I got a drive out there. I'm going to go plug it in. I got it labeled pull tabs, so I'm just going to go put another USB drive in with deals on it. All right, so I got drive E installed now, and we're going to be ready to add pull tabs. So for this lesson, we will do USA pull tabs to start, which should be this guy. Most of your Milcaps are going to be a code such as this, or the WSM ones. So for instance, let's just try loading a Milcaps one. It's going to prompt us that we can't do it. So select invalid pull tab file. It's not in the USA format, so check the configuration dialog. So we're not going to do that. We'll just load up a USA deal. Here we go. Select. So we got a deal loaded, and that's pretty much all we got to do. So just make sure before you leave, take this out. It shouldn't cause any issues if you leave it in there, but definitely recommended to just pull it out. And then if we go here, we'll have our redeem pull tabs here. So back to pull tab report. So we got our USA deals in there. Other things we can do here, you can print out a report of all the deals. So let's say you got 12 deals loaded, you can print it out, and then you can analyze all your deals or bring it back to your manager and then say, hey, we'll pull this deal out. There's only 5 pull tabs left. Just like get it out of there. Let's see. We can remove all our deals if you ever need to do that. You can restore a single deal. So an example of that is, let's just take this off. So 100405, and then just restore your deal. This is just a prompt. Would you like to restore a deal? So we already had this one loaded, and just pretty much disregard this used. So we're good to go. So for instance, you have one that's messed up, a deal that's messed up, like it stopped working and there's 300 pull tabs left. Maybe try just doing a remove that deal, and then try restoring the deal, and it might just work for you. This will be not just the pull tab report. This will print out your game out report, your cassette report, your pull tab report, and your ticket history. So if you do that, it'll put it all on a thumb drive for you in case you need that. Restore D base. Consider this like a deal base. So this will be all your deals. So let's say I add multiple deals here. So multiple USAs. And then, okay, let's say I got an issue going on. I haven't had to use this feature yet. So let's remove all the deals and restore DBase. And there'll be multiple things on here. This kind of backs up every few minutes here. So this is the date today, 325 at, pretty sure the most recent one's on top. So let's try that. That did not work. So let's remove all. And let's try that second guy. Okay, it's probably not going to work because I didn't save it in there. So one thing to keep in mind here is your USA deals will be pulled from this, from your USB drive. So they're gone. Once they're gone, they're gone. They kind of disappear. So if you can back up those deals somewhere, if you're on a kiosk, maybe if it makes you feel safe anyway, once your drive E is, go to 2 windows, copy that deal to somewhere on the kiosk, and then you'll have that deal on there forever, just in case. Otherwise, you should be good to go 90% of the time. It's just an extra precaution. Mill caps will stay on your thumb drive, so you don't have to worry about with them. So then you got your backup and restore functions. That'll press backup, make sure your backup drive is in. You're going to press backup kiosk, and that'll take everything on the kiosk, save it to your backup drive, and then you'll put in a new version, a new SSD, the black square drive. You'll put that inside the kiosk, and then if you do restore, all your pull tab deals will be here: ticket histories, pull tab histories, fill, your POS data. So, and then here's how you safely eject the drives. And then this is a little used feature for now, but this is for USA pull tabs. Basically, if you go to their website, you can purchase a deal, and then they'll give you a QR code, and then you can scan it with the barcode scanner on the kiosk. So saves them a few dollars and might make the process a little easier versus waiting for the thumbstick to arrive in the mail if you already have the pull tabs by chance. Also, we have our pull tab history. This will give you a floating 1 to 200 pull tab history in here. So it shouldn't ever go above 200. It might go up to 204, but this will just have your most recent 1 to 200 pull tabs in here. This will clear your list if you're doing something with your deals, or if you're pulling all the deals out, you just want them all out, you can clear your list here, and you can also print a list of all your pull tabs. So let's go back to pull tab report. I'm going to press add, and there is nothing in there. So let me go unplug and replug in that pull tab USB. Now that we got our USB stick plugged back in, I'm going to press add one of these milk cap deals, and so invalid setting here for USA, so check your config. So I'm going to close out of here. I'm going to go to configuration and enable milk caps. Press OK. So if you have current deals in there, a bunch of USAs, just letting you know it's going to clear everything out. You shouldn't have to worry about this, but as usual, just read all the prompts. And then I'm going to go to pull tab report, add a deal, click OK, select, and we're good to go.